Okay, so here we are. This is Lucy. She is the project manager of this job. And what she's listening for is that to be draining, which it sounds good. We sound like we are sucking water out of the machine and putting it down the drain pipe. We've also cleared that pipe of any debris. We've made sure that there's no kinks. Sounds like the water's drained out. It's going through the next cycle. As we open this up, we notice that the sensor for the lid is activating properly. We've filled up and we've drained twice now. Indicator notes that we are about to go to a spin. I still hear water draining. Looking in my machine, I see my water's out.